Hello everyone, today we'll be going through Cambridge IGCSE International Mathematics 060711 October number 2021. Paper 1 is for the core students, and keep in mind this is a non-calculator paper. So question number 1, write the missing numbers in the boxes. So 1 by 5 equivalent fraction we need to find. So this will be 2 is being multiplied, 5 is being multiplied by 2 to get 10. So 1 will be multiplied by 2 and we will get here 2. Then this is being multiplied by 10 to get 20. So denominator will be multiplied by basically 10 to get this. So it will be 100 over here. Then in form of percentage, this is 20 over 100 and 20 over 100 which can be written as 20%. So we are done with this and this is 2 more question. Now question number 2. Question number 2, this diagram is provided. They are saying write down the coordinates of P. We have to take x value first, and if we check reference for x value on x-axis is this one, which is 2. So we will write 2 for x value, and for y value the reference is 4. So we will write 4 for y value, and our point will be 2 and 4. And this is one more question. Question number 3 says the diagram shows a circle with center O. Draw a chord in the circle. Chord, is a straight line joining 2 points of the circumference, and you can draw any chord, like for example this one or this one, even passing through center. Keep in mind the largest chord of the circle is the diameter. So this is the largest chord. You can draw any line. I have drawn for you 3, and one more we can draw, like for example on this side also. So these chords you can draw any of these, but one is required. So rest I have drawn for your explanation. And question number 4, complete the statement. 45 milliliter is what? We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed. So it will be 45 milliliter will be 45 centimeter cube as it is. So this is one more question which we are done with. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says the diagram is not to scale. Complete the statement. So diagram A is given, B is given. Rectangle B is an enlargement of this rectangle A by scale factor. And to check the scale factor, if we check these two lengths, if we multiply 4 by 3, we will get 12. So we can say that the scale factor rectangle B is enlarged of, or so its scale factor will be 3. So we can write here as answer that scale factor is 3, and this is one more question. Now question number 6, in a scale the sale price of a dress is reduced from $20 to $15. Work out the percentage reduction. So reduction is 20 minus 15, which is dollar. 5 is the reduction, so 5 is reduction against $20. So $5 divided by $20 and multiply by 100 for percentage. And if we cancel, for cancellation, this will be 21s are 100 and 21s are 20 and 25s are 100. So this will be resulting to 5 5s are 25. So our answer will be 25%, and this is 2 more questions. Now question number 7, they are saying measure the bearing of C from B. So bearing C from B will be this bearing, which we have to check, and we will be checking with the help of protractor. Our zero line will be adjusting on this side. This will be zero line, and if we check, this angle is 125 5, so 125 we can mention over here, 125. This is one more question which we are done with. Then question number 8, a cuboid has volume of 140 centimeter cube. The width of the cuboid is 7 centimeter, length is 2 centimeter. Find the length. So height is 2 centimeters. So formula is what? Formula is volume is equal to length into width into height. So we can replace the values. Volume is given, which is 140, is equal to length is 7 and width is 7. Length we have to calculate. So L into 7 into height is 2, so 7 into 2 will be 14, so L will be equal to 140 over 14, and after cancellation 14 ones are 14 and 14 tens are 140, so our answer will be 10 centimeter, and this will be for 2 marks. Now question number 9, table is provided. This table shows the ages of 20 cars. This is age in years and this is frequency. Work out the range. Range is maximum, which is this one, minus minimum. So we can write 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So 4 will be the range, 4 years, and this is 1 mark question. Then B part, they are saying work out the mean age of the cars. For mean age, we will be multiplying this into this. So 1 into 2 plus next will be 2 into 7 and 2 into 7 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 3 and plus 5 into 4 and divided by the sum of frequencies, and sum of frequencies is basically 20. So 7 plus 3 and 3, so 20 we can write here, and if we multiply 2 into 1 will be 2 plus 14, 2 into 7 is 14 plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 12, 4 into 3 will be 12 plus 20, and this will be divided by 20, and we can write it, sum this, sum of the numerator will be 14 plus 2 is 16 and 16 plus 24 plus 20, this will be 60 over 20, and which we can cancel as 1 and 3, so answer will be 3 years. This will be the mean answer, and this is 3 mark question. Now question number 10, inequality is provided. Write down all the integer values of x. If we check, this side is less than equal to, so greater than, basically x is greater than equal to minus 6, so greater than minus 6 values will be, because minus 6 is also included, so we'll write minus 6, we'll start with minus 6, so minus 5, then minus 4, and minus 3 is not included because this inequality is not having equal to sign, so we'll not take minus 3, so our answer will be minus 6, minus 5 and minus 4, and this is 3 more question which we are done. Now 11, question 11, a circle has radius of 8.5 centimeter. Find the circumference of the circle. Leave your answer in terms of pi, and C circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and r is 8.5, so 2 pi into 8.5, 8.5 multiplied by 2 will be 17, so we can write 17 pi, this will be the circumference, 17 pi centimeter, and this is a 2 mark question which we are done with. Now question number 12, universal set is provided. U is equal to this one, integer value from 1 to 10, and A is a square number. So from 1 to 10 square numbers, list the elements of A. What are the square numbers from 1 to 10? So 1 will be square number, then 4 will be square of 2, and 9 will be square of 3. So our answer will be 1, 4 and 9. This one we can provide answer like this one. Then write down n of a complement, the members which are not there in A. Not there in A will be how many members, because total are 10. So out of 10, 3 are these, so remaining will be 7. So it will be 7 will be our answer, and this is also 1 mark question. Now the scatter diagram in question 13. The scatter diagram shows the number of ice creams sold each day and the temperature on that day. So A part, what type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? So if we see, this is like this one. So it is positive correlation, because right side is up and left side is down, so this will be positive correlation. So we can write here positive correlation. Then B part, describe what the scatter diagram shows about the number of ice cream sold each day and the temperature on the day. So what will be the, we can see that by when temperature is increasing, sale of number of ice creams sold are also increasing. So we can say as the temperature increases, as the temperature increases, increases, number of ice cream sold also increases. This is 1 mark statement which we have done given. Now question number 14. A football club had the following results from their last 10 games. So outcomes of the match and frequency, win, draw and lose, they have provided. So use this data to estimate the probability that they will not lose their next game. Not lose mean these two options, which is 2 plus 5, which is 7. So we can write 7 over 10 for this one, which is 2 marks part, which we have done. Now question number 15, expand. We have to open the bracket. So k square into k will be k cubed, minus k square into 6 will be minus k 6k squared, and we can provide answer over here, k cubed minus 6k squared. This will be 2 marks question, which we are done with. Now question number 16, a car travels 20 kilometer at an average speed of this 30 kilometer per hour. It then travels 30 kilometer at an average speed of 60 kilometers. So these are two parts. First part of the journey is this one, second part of the journey is this one, and we know that speed is equal to distance over time, and this implies time will be equal to distance over speed. So we'll be using this relation. For the first part, distance is 20 kilometer, so time t1, we can write t1 will be equal to 20 over 30, and this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 2 over 3 hours. 2 over 3 hours will be time taken for the first portion of the journey, and t2 will be equal to, distance is 30 kilometer and speed is 60 kilometers, so it will be 1 by 2 hours. Now we have to add these two time, total time we need to calculate in minutes. We have to provide answer in minutes. So t is equal to t1 plus t2, which is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2, and uh, we can solve this. Basically this will be by taking LCM, so this will be 6, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, plus this will be 2 3s are 6, so it will be 7 by 6. So total time taken will be 7 by 6 hours, which we can write as one whole 1 by 6 hours. So one whole 1 by 6 hours can be written as 1 hour will be equal to 60 minutes, and 1 over 6 hour will be equal to 1 over 6 into 60, which is 10 minutes. So we can write this will be 10 minutes. So we'll be adding 60 minutes plus 10 minutes, so our answer will be 70 minutes. Hopefully you understood this. Now question number 17, this diagram is provided which is not to scale. Find the value of A. This is A and A. Three angles are equal and this is 30. We know that sum of the angles of a quadrilateral are adding up to 360 degree. So we can say A plus A plus A plus 30 degree is equal to 360 degree. So this implies 3A is equal to 360 degree minus 30 degrees, and this is equal to 330 degrees. So A will be equal to 330 degrees divided by 3, which is equal to 110 degrees. So our answer will be 110 degrees, and this was 3-mark question which we are done. Now question number 18 says work out this, write your answer in standard form. So what we can do, we can open the brackets. So 3 into 5 will be 15, 3 into 5 will be 15, and multiply by 10 raised by 4 into 10 raised by 6. So we can write 15. 15 can be written as 1.5 into 10 into 10 raised by 4 into 10 raised to the power 6, and this can be written as 1.5 into 10 raised by 1 plus 4 plus 6, and this will be equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 11. This will be our final answer, and this is 2-mark question. Now question number 19, and the question number 19 says describe fully single transformation that maps shape E onto F. So this is our E shape, this is F shape, and we need to check for transformation, and transformation will be we can join basically this line and this line. If we join this one, and we can even join the rest of the vertices also, like for example this vertex also we can join, and we can join even this vertex also. So if we check, basically this is sufficient to know that height of this one is this drawing, E drawing, is how much? Height is 1 unit and 2 units. But in this case, height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 units. So this is 6 units, this is 2 units. So it means scale factor is 3. 2 multiplied by 6 is 3. So it is enlargement. You can see that F drawing is bigger than E. So we will say our answer will be that this is enlargement, and by scale factor, and scale factor is 3 basically. So 3 will be the scale factor, and center of enlargement you can check from here. This is basically 2 and 1. So 2 and 1 will be the center of enlargement. So center we can provide 2 and 1, and this is 3-mark question which we are done. Now question number 20, write down the equation of the line with gradient 3. Gradient 3 mean m value is 3, and passing through this origin, this point, so y-intercept from this point we can take c value is equal to -1, and we know that y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of line in slope intercept form, so we can write y is equal to 3x minus 1, and this will be our final equation. Y is equal to 3x minus 1, and this is 2-mark question. Now 21, question 21, find the equation, find the value of x when this is equal to this. So 5 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 5 raised to the power x. When bases are same and they are being multiplied, their powers will be added by rule. So we will write 5 raised to the power 3 plus 4, and this will be equal to 5 raised to the power x, and bases are same, so we can compare the powers. So x will be equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So 7 will be our final answer. X will be equal to 7. This is 1-mark question which we are done with. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos, and also recommend this channel to your friends and classmates, and introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.